Here we go. Here's the replacement package. Has not been opened. Let's see if this one is used. This time I'm going to record the whole process of me opening the package. So that's the bottom. That's the top. You can see it has not been opened. Just got it. Just got delivered maybe 10 minutes ago. So here we go. Rick Ness has had a new loader delivered. And his only other crew member reported is back loading Gold Rich Pay Dirt.
Pretty thankful that Rick was able to turn cable Parker for this loader. It's going to make it so much easier out here. And it feels like we're actually up and running now. Just with this one loader, it really feels like it changed everything.
Okay, so this one has bubble wrap in it. I don't think the first one had bubble wrap.
It's a big deal here.
This one looks open. First one had tape across the front. This has tape on the side.
Nothing coming in, everything going out. We're going broke.
Okay.
We need to get a cap flow going.
Other one had tape
Anything
right
will help
here.
now.
At
This has
Dominion
tape
Creek,
on the side.
with Parker hemorrhaging money, gold recovery expert Chris
The
Duke
tape
hatches
looks
a
like,
plan
yeah,
to
see,
bring in
it's
the
not from the
claims
factory.
crushed gold.
This piece of tape is longer than this piece of tape. So somebody did this
I found this.
probably at the ship.
There's gold in the flying tail.
Is the tape already broken?
Tailings
Yep,
are
this
waste
tape
dirt
is already
left
broken.
over after the gold is
You can
separated
see it's already
and are
broken.
dumped outside the gold.
I didn't open it. You saw me
Maybe
open
up
it.
the
Let's see
mini
the
gold, dig
side.
it up, run it through my
Yep, the tape is already broken
gold.
on that side. So this box is already open. See it?
One of the big challenges
It's already
for
broken.
us is that this ground is a fair bit deeper than
It's already broken. It's a big part.
Parker has
Okay.
3 days to
Maybe not used
strip
part.
and clear
Quality audit
of
for
nothing
gas control. Okay, so it's been open. I'm right to be audited. Show you that.
30%.
Quality control form. Let's see.
to speed things up.
Place fail
Parker
control.
has 2 dozers written
Place
overburdened
fail control
24/7
in replacement package.
and 2 excavators
Form below must be
loading it
completed.
into 4
Filled
rock
out and
trucks
placed
to
in the
remove it.
replacement box. Place preprinted seal. Return. Furnace model warranty claim.
I mean, we go through truckloads of fuel here. The D11s alone
Okay.
would use.
So this is from the supplier. So I'm not gonna fill this out.
Quite low on fuel myself now.
Maybe I will.
Liam, got a copy? Liam?
Warranty claim.
Yeah, man, are you far away with the fuel truck? I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
I don't think I want to fill it out. It's not a warranty claim. Alright, so this has been open. You can see that right here. It has already been open. Alright, let me turn on the light and see if it has been connected.
Everything runs off fuel here.
Alright. Have you been connected? Not gonna take it out the bag. So I'm looking at the pins to see if it has connected.
If Liam can't get across the only road into the cut, the stripping crew will run out of fuel and fail to hit Parker's 3-day deadline, costing tens of thousands Parker doesn't have.
That escalated quickly. Everything's heating up, all this snow's melting off, and this road system here clearly wasn't built high enough. So now we're, yeah, pretty well screwed. With all that water flow here and how deep this is, that truck gets out there, it's gonna sink up stuff. Over that gravel pile. Trucks, just get over there. We need a bunch of material down here in the road. Keep sending trucks, Dave. We got a big hole.
All right, I don't know if you can see it. I'm not gonna take this out the bag. But this has been connected before. And you can see, I'm saying this because I'm trying to see if I can get it. The pins have scratches. See if I can get this to focus. The pins have scratches. Like they've been connected. They had wires connected before. This time, all of the screws, those post screws for the thermostat, they're mostly down. One is up a little, but those are down this time. Yep, it still has, you can see scrapes from the connectors that have been on the pins. That one show up. You can focus now. It's hard to see. I don't know. Take my word for it. I wouldn't be trying to focus in. Oh, there you go. See, there you go. That's perfect. You see those scratches? That has had a connector on it before. That one too. This the first one. Right there. That one and that one. What are those? PR1, BL1, L1. What is that? Blower 1 maybe? And the neutrals have scratches. The spare, the fan, cool, heat have scratches. So yeah, this has been connected. Maybe it was done for the quality check. I kind of find it hard to believe. I've never seen a motherboard be tested. Look at this form. Quality audit form, gas furnace, place, fill, control board. Why would this form be in the box? Here you go, of a new part. Thank you for helping us continually improve our products. I think we're selling used parts. It could be more. I don't know. Is this standard? The package. The box was open. The seal was broken on the actual bag. Anti-static shield bag. That's the reason why I'm not touching this board, because you have to ground yourself before you touch the board, so you don't send static electricity through the board. But then again, you can see the bag is used. So the bag, when I say used, the bag has been handled. It's not a fresh new bag, like somebody put the part in the bag and shipped it. The bag has been handled a few times, just like I'm doing right now. It's been folded over, crinkled up. You can see that. Zoom out. I think that's selling used boards, right? All right.